Funny expressions in 90 seconds.
Hello and welcome back. And in today's joke, we're going to practice a couple of words that sound very similar. Coffin and coughing. Did you hear a difference there? Anyway, first things first. What is this? This is a throat lozenge. And we take a throat lozenge when we have an irritation in our throat, we have a sore throat, or if we are coughing a lot. I'm a teacher. Sometimes I cough in class because my throat is irritated or I have a sore throat. So I take a throat lozenge. When I am coughing, I take a throat lozenge. However, the pronunciation of coughing is often coffin. And that sounds very similar to the box you put a person in when they have died and it's their funeral. You put the body in a coffin. So, here's the joke. The inventor of the throat lozenge died last week. It was quite strange in his funeral because there was no coffin. There was no box, or there was nobody. There was no coffin. Maybe because everybody had taken a throat lozenge. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.